What's up guys? Welcome back to
Travel and Fun.
Yes. So today what we are going to do is we'll be
decorating our home for Christmas.
Yes. It's not a big decoration and all, but these are the small moments of life.
We are not making crib and all, and we didn't buy a Christmas tree also.
Yes.
But suddenly we thought we'll do something.
Yes. And just a small decoration.
Yeah. So
enjoying these small moments of life together. Yeah.
While we are returning from Ballarat, we got some stuffs for Christmas decorations. So with that few stuff, we are going to decorate something. We are going to do something.
Yes, and one interesting thing is that today is the 23rd of December, and from tomorrow, from the 24th, everything here is closed for like 2-3 days. All the supermarkets and everything will be closed. So supermarkets, yeah, some of them will be there, some might be closed.
Time limitation.
Yeah,
but most of the shops will be
closed. So everything in the supermarket related to this Christmas decoration, many food items, cake stuff and all, these stuff was so much discounted at this time, and that you could really take advantage of this during Christmas actually. Yeah. So because they know that these won't sell out after Christmas.
And like it was fully out. We didn't get.
Yeah, we went for milk. Yeah, we went for milk and it was totally sold out.
We were not thinking of decorating a home, but today after seeing that Ballarat thing, I also got a feeling like we have to decorate something. We have to do something, because when we go out, we can see all the houses are decorated. So I also got that feeling.
I saw one house. We were traveling by bus and we saw the side. We were looking at the sideways, and then one house was decorated like a supermarket. like it was totally decorated like a super. They were
it was literally like a lorry.
Yeah, exactly. Like
in North India, you could see
exactly
a full lorry with
this Bollywood film actress's photo in front of them and all. So it was something like that, but it was cool. Yeah.
Danish people, they are very good interiors. I mean, they have very good interior sense, I would say.
Yeah.
Because the stuffs here, the interior things, like small things you get here will be very cute. And when we look from outside, normally people don't look into their houses, but still when we go through the bus or something, we'll see the windows, and that will be very nicely decorated.
Yeah, and especially during these times, Christmas times, they decorate it so beautifully. Even outside their house, they decorate it so beautifully. That is amazing.
That is contributing to the beauty of the city, actually.
Absolutely, yes. So we thought we would also contribute to the beauty of the city. So we have a very good balcony and all. So we cannot do anything in the balcony, but we'll do it inside our room because it's very cold outside. But probably we'll see if we can make a snowman or something. Let's see.
Tomorrow morning, if snow is still there, we are going to make a snowman.
Yes.
But if the snow is still there.
Yes.
But we don't know.
So now we'll go ahead and decorate our window sill
Just
here.
a window.
Yeah. So let's go ahead and decorate.
Yes.
Yeah. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
And so this money plant will be our Christmas tree for today.
Yes.
Since we don't have tree, and since we plant very, it was a sudden plan.
Yes.
We thought we'll make this money plant as a Christmas tree.
But very good job. You have done a very good job. The money plant has grown really well. Yeah. That's really nice. Actually, when this was actually upside down, so this plant was hanging there, and at that time it will really look very long. But now it's it's round up around that stick, so that's why it doesn't look so long.
It's like a Christmas tree.
Yeah, now it's like a Christmas tree. So we just hung one ball now, so we'll hang more. And what else do we have? So this is, you can see here on the door here. So we are not showing our entire house because
home tour will come later on.
Yeah, there will be a home tour later on because there are some more things that we need to do. Anaka is also planning some paintings and all. Yeah. So this is something made by Anaka. This is a dream catcher. So this was our first trial, which came out really good. I really appreciate her patience.
I really wanted a dream catcher for so long. I wanted to make it by myself, and so finally I did it.
Yes. So to know more about Anaka's creative space,
you have to go to Tapasya Art Space and you can get your personalized things there.
Yes. So for now, Tapasya Art Space can make and deliver in Copenhagen. Yes. We cannot deliver to India. But if you give our orders and if you are ready to be patient, and we can bring your orders to India when we come next year. Yeah.
And then we can ship if you give us a shipping charge.
Yes, absolutely. So this was Anaka's first try of a dream catcher. It really came out well. well. So follow Tapasya Art Space. We'll put down the link in the description below of this video. So it has, Tapasya Art Space has a Facebook page. This is also
And an
Anaka's
Instagram page. Please do like, share there also.
Yes, also the Instagram handle. So this is also Anaka's macrame preparation. This was her first try, which also really came out good. So I suggested that you put it out on the wall here, just below our clock. So you can see that it's almost 12 a.m. now. So actually we are a little less sleepy today. That's why we thought we'll decorate it. And it's good to decorate it at this time and see, yeah. So it will be all lit up. So
Let's start.
Yes, let's start. So what are we going to do first? So we just put up this Christmas.
Actually, we tried making a tree.
Yeah.
So we'll make it perfect now.
Yes.
And then let's see. You go show them the steps before.
Yeah. So we'll make this like a Christmas tree here.
Yeah.
And what else do you have?
And then we have these balls.
Yeah. Christmas
and we
balls.
have some lights. And some more lights.
Did you take away? Oh, I broke one ball. I actually stepped on it accidentally. I just broke one ball. But yeah, we have remaining balls. Yeah.
And we have more lights. And we have a cute little Santa.
Yes, cute little Santa.
So we have only these things, but we are going to decorate with it.
Yes. So first we'll make up the Christmas tree. We also bought this small thing which I hung up just now. So this is a small house, you see, and it's really beautiful. I'll just switch it on. See, it's really nice, so cute. So we just put it out here, and now we'll just finish the Christmas tree. I guess on this side too. So it's like a miniature Christmas tree.
We don't have a tree, so
yeah.
Nada.
So we're doing our best to make a tree here. Christmas tree with LED lights.
Yeah.
So you can see outside and also, I don't know if it's visible. You see guys, it's so white outside. And normally after it snows, it's so bright that even during this time, like it's almost 12 a.m. you can see that it's so bright outside. Like it's literally very bright. You can see. You see now. It's all because of the light reflecting from the snow, because it's all white. Yeah. So you can see people have decorated their like gardens and all. You can see with Christmas lights. It's really beautiful. So here's a Christmas tree which is like kind of ready. You can see the shape of a Christmas tree. So it will look much better when the light is on. Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. That's nice. Let's go for the Santa.
Yeah.
So I'll hold the Santa. I just put in the lights. So this Santa is actually lighted Santa.
Yeah. You can put lights.
Santa is actually lit today. So we'll put in the lights here. I don't know, what are these lights called? Rice?
Rice?
Yeah, some rice
fairy lights. I know.
Yeah.
Fairy lights.
So the light grains are actually so very small.
But this is very beautiful.
Yeah. And actually we got a very good deal for this light. So we got it at 10 crores,
10
yeah?
crowns.
It was really nice. Should we keep him here? No? In the between? Oh, yeah.
Santa here.
Yeah.
Santa under the tree.
Yeah, Santa under the tree. Santa is actually dancing, you see.
Yeah, dancing. Santa's so
Dance.
happy.
Yeah, he's happy with gift for Anaka.
Yeah. Santa bought me gift.
Yeah.
So let's light it later.
Yeah. Next stop.
Next, we have to hang these also. We'll keep all these things.
Yeah. So this is one beautiful gift given to us by a German friend, Anke. Thanks to her. So this really reminded us of a European Christmas when we were back in India, and now we are in Europe itself.
We'll keep it near a
Christmas tree. Yeah. So are we hanging more balls on the Christmas tree? It's good. So
we'll hang the balls There.
Over there?
Uh,
Okay.
Red and silver balls will hang on the top, and then the rest balls, whatever we have, we'll hang it on the tree and this tree also.
Yeah, so we are planning like we'll hang the balls here, like on these tree tips. Yeah. So we have like 28 minus 1, 27 balls. One I broke. So 7 balls will be occupied here. So rest will hang up from the top over there. So how are we planning to hang it? Like alternate colors? Like we have 3 colors, right? Red.
I'm planning to hang silver and red here,
Okay.
and golden
And
for
this
the
side also you can hang, right? On this side.
both sides.
Okay.
Where will hang?
So we have to like tie it up with this small thread. Yeah. So we'll finish this task and come back to you guys.
Yeah.
Ball number 1.
So finally, done.
Yeah.
29, 28 balls.
Yeah. So let's get
Let's go
ready
hang
and
it.
tie them up to both our non-LED Christmas tree, the LED Christmas tree, and the windowsill up there. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
So here's our final result. How do you like it, guys? How's it, Anaka?
Yeah, this is good.
Looks beautiful, eh?
Yeah. Now we have to put the lights.
Yeah, so it's like now covering the Christmas tree, like the LED Christmas tree. Yeah. So now we'll put some
Stars.
star lights across this so it will look more beautiful. So let's go ahead and put it. So yes, here it is, the stars. See, they're all hanging stars from the top. So once this is actually lit,
Yeah.
it will look nice. That's what we hope. What do you think, guys?
Even I think.
If you think so, give a thumbs up. Yeah? I mean, like the video. So Anaka is now hanging balls around the LED Christmas tree. So actually they are very lightweight, so they can be hung on these
Yeah.
small LED. They're actually very light, you see. So actually this kind of tape that I put here, actually these lights are a little heavy. So I put these kind of tapes. These are actually very good tapes. Even our wall clock. Yeah, even our wall clock is hanging on that tape because we didn't want to drill the wall. So it's hanging on that tape now. So Anaka made a wise use of the broken ball. It's looking beautiful now.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Cute thing.
Yeah, it's really nice. It's now actually looking like a Christmas tree.
Now we'll put the lights.
Yeah, we also have some LED lights here, you can see. Yeah, so there's some LED lights, and we'll put this around the Christmas tree. This requires 3 batteries. So
we completed our decoration.
yeah,
And
after completing the decorations, you're blushing so much.
yeah, I'm so happy.
Okay, so today actually Anaka is very happy, especially because she had
I
her day
played a
out in
lot
the
in
snow. Yeah, and here's our decoration for Christmas. You see, so that's our money plant Christmas tree with the balls and the lights, and our cute little flying Santa with light inside.
Dancing Santa.
Dancing Santa. Oh, sorry, yes. And 2 candle lights and an LED Christmas tree with balls hanging. And on top, you have some balls hanging and a cute little house here and some stars on top.
So we have everything.
Yes, we have done everything. So now what we'll do is we'll shut down the lights.
Yeah. Now we'll show you the night effects.
Yes, and we'll show you this. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, shut down. Oh my god, it's all dark now.
So
Okay, so let's put this small house on.
yeah.
Let's see how beautiful.
Oh, nice.
It's so nice.
I think the reflection is
Yeah, it's beautiful.
nice.
Yes. Now let's switch on the next one. There's a starlight. Beautiful. Now let's put on the LED Christmas tree. There it is. Wonderful. Now let's light up the Santa.
Yeah.
Santa is lit. And next
Candles.
are 2 small candles. Number 1. Number 2. So there's until now, you can see. And the last and final one. There's one more small candle over there. Last but not the least are money plant Christmas tree here. So guys, you can see our Christmas decoration now here. This is it. So you guys go ahead and enjoy some beautiful B-roll shots now.
Hope you liked our Christmas decorations.
Yes, and on this
I'm
note,
happy.
yes, me too, and hope you guys are happy too, and we hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas and a prosperous New Year
Yes.
too.
And let this COVID go away so soon.
Yes, so let's bring
And
all
let's
positivity.
start traveling.
Yes, we have to start traveling. I'm so bored of sitting home now. Like, we are just able to go to these nearby places here. We are trying to explore as much as we can, but I really want to go out now, maybe on a long drive or something. So
Yeah.
we are planning something soon. Maybe we'll go on a drive and all. Of course, yes, sometime in January we are planning, but let's hope for the best. Yeah. And so this was our small
And
Christmas
hopefully
decoration.
tomorrow, if we have snow, if the snow is there,
Yes.
till tomorrow morning.
We'll also put a small clip of we making the snowman. If that is
Snowman.
possible.
We have a plan of making a snowman, but we don't know tomorrow what will be the condition. So when we wake up, if the snow is still there, then we'll go make the snowman.
Yes. So, wish you all a Merry Christmas.
And a very happy New Year.
So, it's me and Anaka from
Signing
Travel
off.
and Fun signing off for the year 2021. And we'll meet you soon again in...
2022.
Yes, and let's hope this COVID is gone away. Really, guys, we are fed up.
Fed up, seriously.
We are fed up. This is now
So,
a long time.
Let
It's even lasting more than the
2022
Spanish flu.
Be a good year,
Yes.
hopefully.
Yes, and hopefully all of you are safe, healthy, and happy out there. So, Bye bye 2021. See you all in 2022.
Merry Christmas.
Where are you going?
Snow button.
So finally we decided to make a snowman because it is still snowing a little. So we have a bucket. So we need some hands and legs for our snowman. So I already took some snow from here. We need some more. And we have accumulated our snow in the gallery, if you can see. I don't know. It's a little bit. Okay, so it's all snowy here. And I've come in my slippers like a fool. But that's okay. See, everything is so white. Yeah? You see guys, so bright and white everywhere.
So we just took this stick and now he's taking another one.
Snowman's hands. Gathering some snow. So here we have some snow, you see.
So
Snowman
is getting ready.
So this is our first time, so we'll learn slowly.
Yeah.
Actually, there's it's an art.
Okay.
Making snowman, yes. There are tutorials online
Oh.
to teach you how to make.
No,
No, I'm making this on my own.
Okay.
But this is so cool.
Yeah.
Actually there's science behind it. So if you apply pressure, it becomes ice very soon. So whenever you know that the shape is perfect, just apply a little bit pressure and then just roll your. Yes, is your snowman ready?
Oh, my snowman is so cute.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So let's show them our snowman.